Today I am reviewing the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bag Canister Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bag Canister Vacuum is a versatile, high-quality vacuum designed for households that value performance, reliability, and German engineering. This vacuum is perfect for those who want a compact, portable, and efficient cleaning solution for hard floors, low-pile carpets, and everyday household cleaning tasks. One of the first things you'll notice about the Miele Classic C1 is its strong suction power. The vacuum features 6 adjustable suction settings, allowing you to customize the cleaning power depending on the surface you are vacuuming. Whether it's delicate hardwood floors or low-pile carpets, the vacuum provides optimal suction without causing damage, making it an excellent all-around cleaning tool for your home. The vacuum is lightweight and highly maneuverable, which makes it easy to clean around and under furniture. Its compact design, combined with a well-thought-out canister structure, allows you to easily glide around obstacles and tight corners. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a set of essential accessories including the SBD 365-3 Combination Floorhead, dusting brush, Crevice Tool, and Upholstery Tool. These attachments make it simple to clean not only floors but also sofas, curtains, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. A standout feature of the Miele Classic C1 is its AirClean Filtration system. This unique 3-tier filtration setup ensures that the air leaving the vacuum is cleaner than the air you started with. It uses a genuine Miele filter bag, a motor protection filter, and an AirClean exhaust filter, which together capture dust, allergens, and fine particles. For households with pets, allergies, or asthma concerns, this means healthier air while cleaning. The vacuum bag has a capacity of 4.8 US quarts, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without frequent bag changes. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction is also known for its durability and longevity, which is a hallmark of Miele engineering. The German-engineered motor and quality components ensure years of reliable use. Unlike many lightweight vacuums that lose suction over time, the Miele Classic C1 maintains consistent performance, making it an excellent investment for long-term home care. Portability is another key advantage. The vacuum is easy to carry between rooms or even up and down stairs. The cord is long enough to cover large areas without constantly switching outlets, and the vacuum's compact design ensures it can be stored conveniently in a closet or utility room. In terms of usability, the vacuum is extremely user-friendly. Switching between suction settings is simple, and the combination floor head allows for seamless transition from hard floors to carpets. The included accessories, like the dusting brush and crevice tool, add versatility for cleaning furniture, vents, shelves, and even car interiors. This makes it a highly adaptable vacuum for everyday home cleaning needs. Overall, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bag Canister Vacuum combines powerful suction, German engineering, portability, and a superior filtration system into one compact package. It is ideal for those who want a vacuum that is not only effective on hard floors and low-pile carpets, but also gentle on surfaces, easy to maneuver, and built to last. Whether you are allergy-conscious, have pets, or simply want a cleaner home, the Miele Classic C1 makes cleaning efficient, convenient, and reliable. With its 6 suction settings, versatile attachments, and AirClean filtration system, this vacuum ensures that your home stays spotless while improving indoor air quality. For anyone looking for a high-quality, dependable household vacuum, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction is an excellent choice.